So hello everyone. Today my sister is gonna rate EAS alarms from how scary it is. So 10 means it's very scary and 1 means it's not scary at all. Let's next one. Oh, it says loud. It says loud, but I'm not rich. I know. New Zealand.
It sounds like a car parking.
yeah.
It sounds like a car parking. It sounds like a...
How much? 1 to 10, how much scary?
Wiggly one.
Wiggly one.
It sounds like someone whistling.
Okay. Okay, sure. We'll call it. How much? Huh? That's a 0. 0. One. We will not done this thing.
Maybe 12.
12 out of 10. Okay.
Garlic one. 101.
101.
I tienes con la scelta per il sbascio.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, 10.
Non è
10
vero.
1088.
That's a phone. It's like 2. That's UK plus USA at the same time. That's UK and USA at the same time.
Phone call. That's a 0 out of 4.
That's like a 4.
10.
Oh my That's 10. That's 10. Yeah, if I heard that, I would literally die. No, I would literally die because I know, it's so bad.
I'm with meow. It sounds like someone is testing a dead body.
That's yeah, like the heartbeat. 2.
2.
It's an ice cream truck.
Yeah.
0.
0. Look at this one.
Oh my god, wait, that actually scared me. I think it was
188 louder than 9.
Oh, Antarctica. Morse code. That's Morse code.
I need to go to the bathroom.
If I heard this, I thought I would think.
I need bathroom. Should I hold it in or should I go now? I'm gonna just hold it in.
Okay, let's. That's a 2.
That's that sounds like a
Yeah, when I heard, every time I hear a word like do that, I get scared.
How could the boat scare me?
Cause it's so loud. It's louder than this. So like it's like ah! So if I heard it in real life, it would be like a 10, but right now it's like a 4.
If it louder than
That's like a 10. That's a whistle. Next one. No, we're recording. Oh, I'm like 10? No, not 10. 8.
تنبيه
Oh my gosh, it says extremely loud. Oh yeah, like 2. That's like a 2.
That's a 2 out of 10.
Good. No, that's an 8.
8.